The chain-based index number of agricultural production of a state from the year 2011 to 2014 are as follows. So in question we have given the chain-based index number and we have to convert this index number in fixed base index number. Compute the fixed base index number and take 2007 as a base year. So friends, in this question we have given the value of chain base index number and we have to convert these index numbers into fixed base index number. So let's start. सो फ्रेंड्स, ये है हमारा क्वेश्चन 1। हमने हर एक गिवन वैल्यू को एज अ टेबुलर फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट कर दिया है। अब सॉल्यूशन। फर्स्ट, फॉर्मूला ऑफ फिक्स बेस इंडेक्स नंबर विच इज़ इक्वल टू चेन बेस इंडेक्स नंबर ऑफ करंट ईयर इंटू फिक्स बेस इंडेक्स नंबर ऑफ प्रीसीडिंग ईयर देन डिवाइड्स बाय 100। तो इसी प्रकार से हम फॉर्मूला में 1/1 वैल्यू पुट करके इंडेक्स नंबर निकालेंगे। फर्स्ट फॉर 2008 के लिए चेन बेस इंडेक्स नंबर ऑफ करंट ईयर क्या बन जाएगा? 100। फ्रेंड्स, ये हमारे पास है सारे चेन बेस इंडेक्स नंबर। सो 2008 के लिए 100 इंटू फिक्स बेस इंडेक्स नंबर ऑफ प्रीसीडिंग ईयर। 2008 के लिए प्रीसीडिंग ईयर बन जाएगा 2007 एंड ऑल्सो इन क्वेश्चन वी हैव गिवन दैट टेक 2007 एज अ बेस ईयर एंड ऑल्सो वी नो दैट index number of a base year is 100. So here 100 multiply with 100 then divides by 100 which is equal to 100. So fixed base index number of 2008 is 100. Now for 2009 chain base index number 110 multiply with fixed base index number of preceding year. सो यहाँ पे ये क्या मिला हमें? फिक्स बेस इंडेक्स नंबर ऑफ 2008. सो हियर 110 मल्टीप्लाई विथ दिस 100 देन डिवाइड्स बाय 100 विच इज़ इक्वल टू 110. नाउ फॉर 2010 95 मल्टीप्लाई विथ फिक्स बेस इंडेक्स नंबर ऑफ प्रीसीडिंग ईयर विच इज़ 110. So multiply by 110 then divides by 100 which is equal to 104.50. Now for 2011 108 multiply with 104.50 then divides by 100 which is equal to 112.86. Now for a 2012 120 into 112.86 divides by 100 which is equal to 135.43. Now 106 multiply with 135.43 divides by 100 which is equal to 143.56. Now 110 into 143.56 divides by 100 which is equal to 157.92. So friends, these all values are fixed base index number of our question. Obtain the chain base index number from the fixed base index numbers given below. Here we have to find the chain base index number from the fixed base index number. So here fixed base index number we have to convert in chain base index number. With the year 2007 to 8 as a base year for the wholesale prices of machines and equipments. और हमें यहाँ पे बेस ईयर किसको लेके चलना है 2007 से 2008 को. So let's start. It is the answer of question 2. We know that chain base index number which is equal to fixed base index number of current year divides by fixed base index number of preceding year into 100. So for 2008 to 9 chain base index number equal to क्या हो जाएगा fixed base index number of current year which is 117.4 divides by fixed base index number of preceding year. अब 2008 to 9 के लिए preceding year क्या बन जाएगा 2007 to 8 and in question we have given that 2007 to 2008 we have to take as a base year and also we know that index number of base year is 100. So divides by 100 into 100. So our answer is 117.4. Now for 2009 to 2010, 118 divides by अब किससे डिवाइड करना है फिक्स बेस इंडेक्स नंबर ऑफ प्रीसीडिंग ईयर से विच इज 107.4 into 100. So our answer is 100.51. Now for 2010 से 2011 के लिए 121.5 divides by 118 into 100 which is equal to 102.80. Now for 2011 to 12 125.1 divides by 121.3 into 100 which is equal to 103.13. Here 128.4 divides by preceding value 125.1 into 100 which is equal to 102.64. 131.6 divides by 128.4 into 100 which is equal to again 102.49. Now 134.6 divides by 131.6 into 100 which is equal to 102.28. So these all are chain based index numbers of given question. The fixed base index number of food from the month of January to October in the year 2015 for the industrial workers of Ahmedabad are as given below. Compute the chain base index numbers. हमें यहाँ पे ईयर की जगह पे किसके लिए इंडेक्स नंबर दिए हैं मंथ वाइज जनवरी से अक्टूबर तक मंथ वाइज इंडेक्स नंबर दिए हुए हैं और हमें इसको सॉल्व करना है. यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है, कन्वर्ट फिक्स बेस इंडेक्स नंबर इनटू चेन बेस इंडेक्स नंबर। ये हर एक इंडेक्स नंबर को हमें चेन बेस इंडेक्स नंबर में कन्वर्ट करना है। चेन बेस इंडेक्स नंबर which is equal to fixed base index number of current year divides by fixed base index number of preceding year into 100. So now for the month January, fixed base index number of current year is become as value 271. But when we want to divide fixed base index number of preceding year, यहाँ पे ईयर की प्लेस पे हम क्या लेके चलना है, मंथ। तो फॉर January preceding month become December, but it is a month December, it is of year 2014, and here we have to compute the index number for 2015, or also in question we have not mentioned that which value or which month we have to take as a base year. So in this question we take a month January as a base year. So for a month January, index number become 100. Now for a month February, index number of current year or month, which is 270, divides by fixed base index number of preceding year, which is 271 into 100. So here our answer is 99.63. Now for a March, 268 divides by 270 into 100, which is equal to 99.26. Now for April, 268 divides by 268 into 100, which is equal to 100. For a month May, 278 divides by 268 into 100, which is equal to 103.73. Now for a June, 283 divides by 278 into 100, which is equal to 101.80. Now for a July, 283 divides by 283 into 100, which is equal to 100. For August, 293 divides by 283 into 100, which is equal to 103.53. Now for a September, 293 divides by 293 into 100, which is equal to 100. And for October, 299 divides by 293 into 100, which is equal to 101.37. So friend, these all are chain based index number of month January to October in the year 2015. The chain based index number for a sales of a certain type of scooter from the year 2010 to 2015 are as follows. Find a fixed base index number. Here we have given a chain base index number and we have to convert this all index number into fixed base index number. We know that fixed base index number equal to chain base index number of current year into fixed base index number of preceding year divided by 100. Friends, here in question we have not given the value of base year and also index number in a base year. So here 2010 we take as a base year. So index number in 2010. So chain base index number of current year 110 into fixed base index number of preceding year. Here we know that always index number of base year which is 100. So 100 divides by 100 which is equal to 110. Now for 2011, 112 into 110 divides by 100 which is equal to 123.20. सेम वे में हमने फ्रेंड्स क्या किया 2012 के लिए करंट ईयर्स वैल्यू मल्टीप्लाई विद प्रीसीडिंग ईयर्स fixed base value divides by 100. So it gives us answer 134.29. Same for 2013, 108 multiplied with 134.29 divides by 100 which is equal to 145.03. For 2014, 105 multiplied with 145.03 then divides by 100, it becomes 152.28. For 2015, 111 multiplied with 152.28 divides by 100 which is equal to 169.03. सो फ्रेंड्स हम इसी प्रकार से फिक्स बेस इंडेक्स नंबर को चेन बेस इंडेक्स नंबर में और चेन बेस इंडेक्स नंबर को फिक्स बेस इंडेक्स नंबर में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं.